How to make money with AI, free guide, no experience needed. And the reason I'm whispering at 3 a.m. is because tomorrow the sheriff locks my door if I don't come up with $800. I have $7.42 in my account, 0 friends with cash, and no list to sell to. Sound familiar? I promised myself 2 things tonight. I will not wake my daughter to tell her we're moving again. I will let artificial intelligence fight for us because my pride can't pay the light bill. So I gave myself 7 days, 1 old laptop, and the free trials big gurus never mention. No ads. No followers. No "hey guys, buy my stuff" spam. Just cold strangers and an AI dropshipping store I built while my kids slept in the next room. If I hit profit, we stay. If I fail, well, you'll see the eviction notice live. Show screen grab of Shopify's 14-day trial ticking down, 7 days. Every second you're watching, that timer is bleeding. I'm recording this raw, no music, no jump cuts, because I need you to feel the same pressure that forces genius or surrender. Stick to the end. I reveal the exact prompt that made the first sale at 2:47 p.m. on day 3, the cost I paid the Chinese supplier 12 seconds later, and the screenshot of $283.62 net profit before the free trial even ended. This isn't get rich quick. This is get rent quick. When you're choosing between insulin and groceries, theory dies. You need a process you can copy tonight with $0 and a phone. That's what the next minutes are. Fair warning, I anonymized everything: no friends, no family, no pity purchases, because I want you to know this works even when nobody loves you enough to Venmo you $20. Cold traffic only. If that sounds brutal, good. Desperation is the greatest copywriter. Here's the map. AI builds the store in 90 seconds free. AI finds the pet product that ships from New Jersey, not Beijing, so it lands in 2 days, not 2 weeks. AI writes the TikTok script that made 42,000 views with 0 followers. AI edits the video while I rock my crying kid back to sleep. I pay the supplier only after the customer pays me. Cash flow positive every single order. Hold up the eviction notice again. Tear it slowly. By day 7, this notice is obsolete. I'm not showing you a Lamborghini. I'm showing you a lease renewal. And if a single mom with no tech skills and negative free time can do it, you can clone it before your next bill hits. So stay. Not for me, for the version of you that's Googling sell kidney legally at 4 a.m. Watch me screw up, pivot, almost quit, then refresh the dashboard and see $283.62 in clear profit. Screenshot it, timestamp it, replicate it. Lower voice, lean in. Comment, "I'm in right now," so the algorithm brings you back for the step-by-step walkthrough. Smash subscribe before you forget, because tomorrow the panic will fade and you'll talk yourself out of starting. Don't. Let the rent scare you into action, not paralysis. The free tools are waiting. The timer is running. And my daughter's bedroom light just flicked on. She thinks monsters are outside. I'm proving the only monster was my empty bank account. Let's kill it together. Let's begin. I tried AI dropshipping for 7 days, made $283.62. Copy my exact process. What if I told you that in just 7 days, with nothing but free AI tools, I put $283.62 in my pocket while sitting at my kitchen table? And what if I showed you exactly how to copy every single step? Let me ask you something. Have you ever stared at your bank account balance and felt that knot in your stomach tighten? Have you ever had to tell your child no to something they desperately wanted because you were choosing between that and the electric bill? I've been there. That crushing weight of financial stress. That fear that keeps you up at 3 a.m. I remember every second of it. And I remember feeling completely trapped. But what I discovered in these 7 days didn't just make me money, it gave me hope. Real, tangible hope that anyone can create from nothing. Here were my 3 non-negotiable rules. Number 1, absolutely no paid ads or expensive apps. Number 2, every single task from writing to design had to be done using free AI tools. And number 3, I had to hit actual profit within Shopify's free trial period. No excuses. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds too good to be true. I thought the same thing. But what happened next? what these AI tools actually pulled off. It still blows my mind. Step 1. Letting AI build our foundation. I went to build your store AI completely free and watched as it built a professional Shopify store in under 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes. I named it Paw Plus, focusing on pet supplies, connected my Shopify partner account, and just like that, we had a live store with products already loaded. This is where it hit me: the playing field has been leveled. You don't need thousands of dollars or a tech team anymore. The AI is your tech team. Step 2. Creating our brand identity. Using Canva's magic design, I typed pet supply logo, and within 90 seconds, had a professional logo with a paw print icon in teal and yellow. Then I generated matching favicons, banners, and social media assets all through AI. The old way would have cost hundreds of dollars or taken days of frustrating design work. The new way? Free, fast, and honestly, fun. Step 3. The boring but crucial legal stuff. This is where most people get stuck and give up. But I simply pasted this prompt into chat. Write me GDPR-compliant privacy policy, refund policy, and terms of service for a US-based pet supply Shopify store. 30 seconds later, I had professional legal pages that would have cost a lawyer thousands. Copy, paste, done. No more fear of getting sued because you couldn't afford legal help. Step 4. Finding our winning product. Using Autods' free trial, I filtered for us shipping products with high ratings and recent orders. And there it was: a foldable waterproof car seat cover for dogs. Cost: $12.95. Recommended selling price: $39.99. With one click, Autods imported everything: images, pricing, variants, even the description. This is the secret sauce, letting artificial intelligence do the heavy lifting of product research that used to take experienced dropshippers weeks. Step 5. Making our product irresistible. I asked Chat to rewrite the product description in a fun, conversational tone with emoji bullet points. Then I used Shopify's AI image editor to remove the supplier logo with one click. Every step designed to make our store look professional, trustworthy, and worth the premium price. Because here's the truth: people aren't just buying a product, they're buying an experience. And AI helps you create that premium experience on a zero budget. Step 6. Creating scroll stopping content. I downloaded review videos from AliExpress, dragged them into CapCut, and used their auto, captions, and smart split features to create perfect vertical videos in under 4 minutes. 4 minutes. No video editing experience needed. The AI handles the technical work while you focus on the strategy. Step 7. The moment of truth. Driving traffic. I created a new TikTok account at PawPlusBit and used Later.com's free plan to schedule 2 posts daily. The caption template was simple but effective, focusing on the pain point and offering a limited time discount. And then, we waited. Day 1, nothing. Day 2, silence. But on day 3, my phone buzzed. $39.99, order number 1001, Ohio, USA. Autods automatically fulfilled it. I paid the supplier $12.95. Net profit, $27.04. I literally jumped out of my chair. This wasn't just money. This was validation that the system worked. That hope I mentioned earlier, it became real in that moment. By day 7, the numbers spoke for themselves. $439.92 in revenue, $156.30 in costs, net profit $283.62 with zero ad spend, a 181% margin. But more important than the money was the proof that you don't need cash, you need leverage. Artificial intelligence is that leverage. And what I'm about to show you next takes this to a whole new level. All you need to do is take action. Let me know if you tried any of the methods from the video, hit subscribe to keep exploring more ways to make money with AI, and leave a like in the comments to share how these AI money-making methods worked for you. If you need help designing product images, creating a logo, enhancing visuals for your products or services, or want SEO and keyword research to help your product images and videos go viral, I'm here to help. You can reach me at the email in the video description. Because reading about change is one thing. Making it happen is everything. The ball's in your court.